compliment me on my makeup when I do my events, red carpet and all that good stuff. I figured I'd show you guys how I get all my pretty looks. So let's get started. One thing I love about these colors is they're so pigmented, guys. Ooh, color pop, yes. Well, now that we have that done, we're gonna add white. More Love Day colors too, and we're gonna use white. Okay, so before we move on to the foundation part, I'm going to clean up my eyes because I don't like to use tape, even though I know some people do, but I just don't. Now I'm going to move on to my foundation, and my foundation of choice is Maybelline. So I use 338 and 330, mixture of both. This works really well for my skin. This one is for normal to oily, and this one is from normal to dry. So I have very dry skin, so I like to mix them both together. Now that I have contoured my face, I'm going to go in with my NYX concealer in Ebony. Don't want to contour my nose too much, just enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my blush, and this is RK Kiss. Again, guys, this makeup tutorial is gonna be for the budget-friendly people, okay? I like to use my Anastasia Glow Kit. So love this. I know a lot of people are using Rihanna's. I gotta check it out. But this is my holy grail. I'm gonna use the Golden Dawn. And I like just a little bit. Some people be going crazy with a highlighter, and I'm not one of them. I like to keep mine very light. Okay. A little bit on the bridge of my nose and the tip of it. And then, can you see? Can you see the glow? Before we get to my lips, we're gonna do the eyelashes. And again, this video is for budget-friendly makeup. The lashes are from La Fleur, and they only like $3, guys, but they mink lashes. And then also, I have the matte tattoo eyeliner, and this is from NYX. I know some people like the wing. I don't per se like the dramatic wing. I might do it a little bit, but that's it, a little bit. All right, and then for my lash glue, this is also my holy grail. This is the clear adhesive. Works really, really good. You can put it on your eyelashes. It doesn't matter where you put it, it's gonna dry clear. Okay, and it holds the lashes on, ladies. So this little lipstick, I'm gonna find out who I got it from because it came from Ipsy, so I'm not really sure the name. But I'll find out and let you guys know. It's really, really cute. Really, really cute color. And then it's actually 9J24, but I'm sure you want to know the name, so I'll find it out. It'll be in the specs below. So on my lips, I'm using this brown lip liner and then this pretty pink lipstick. Okay, so now you guys can either leave it as matte or you can throw a little lip gloss on it. So before we get to our setting spray, I'm going to use my banana setting powder. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, going to use a little bit of that. And then we're going to let it sit for just a little second, because if you let it sit too long, then you get that flashback when you take a picture and you don't want that. Okay, now that we let that sit for a little bit, we're gonna just blend it on in. Since everything is finished, we're gonna set it with our setting spray. All right, guys. So now we're done. And we're done, guys. Hair pop, makeup popping. Okay. So all the specs will be down below of all the stuff that I used today. Please make sure you guys subscribe and like. And hey, instead of commenting anything negative, which I would love for you to do, is if there are some things that you think I missed or you think I should try, put it in the comments below. And then the next video, maybe I'll use those things. Until next time, guys.